of loan calculator, and we are going to discuss about how we can calculate our personal loan. So without wasting our time, let's start this session. Loan calculator: calculate your personal loan price. A mortgage is often an quintessential part of buying a home. However, will also be complex to take into accounting what you can in fact manage. A mortgage calculator can help debtors appraise their monthly loan funds in line with the purchase price, bottom word payment, hobby fee, and other month to month property owner cost. Disclaimer: calculator results and absence inputs are estimate access numbers that healthy your location and condition for primary results. Extra data sources, quadrant advanced functions, the tax groundwork, and core logic are property statistic and analytic business. Whether you are shopping around for a personal loan or need to build an equitable table in your latest personal loan, a loan calculator can present insight into your monthly payments. Enter the domestic price. Initiate by using adding the overall purchase expense for the domestic you are searching for to purchase on the left facet of the screen. In case you don't have a particular condominium in mind, you could experiment with this quantity to see how a lot of residences you can come up with the money for. And in case you are considering making a proposal on a house, this calculator can support you examine how tons which you could come up with the money to offer. Enter your bottom word for volume. Subsequently, add the down charge you are expecting to accomplish as either a percent of the buy price or as a specific amount. Enter your hobby rate in case you are already shopped around for a personal loan and have been provided a number of hobby costs. Access a kind of ethics into the pastime expense box on the left in case you haven't pre-qualified for an activity fee yet. You can access the present common loan expense as a place to begin. Choose a personal loan term to help account for your monthly loan payment. Enter a personal loan term up to the highest of years. In case you haven't been accredited for a loan term and interest fee, the fee you option for here should still accord with the average price you entered aloft. As instance, if you choose a year time period exercise, the standard fee for a year mortgage. If as a subsequent you want a steadiness between low monthly payments and a shorter time period, you could consume this element of the calculator to compare your alternate options. Add a taxes coverage and however affiliate HOA price. This portion of the calculator is non-compulsory. Nonetheless, it can help provide you with a greater accurate graphic of your expertise month to month funds. If you have the tips available, plug in your monthly property tax private personal loan assurance, PMI householders assurance, and HOA prices. In case you don't accept these numbers in entries of your some tips could be available by your precise estate agent or your native property adjudicators webpage. Assessment of your loan particulars. Once you access all of the principal counsel on the larboard side of the monitor, the calculator will auto populate your price breakdown on the right. This component of the calculator allows you to view your month to month funds in addition to your estimated adjustment ages. Navigate to the Equital Schedule tab to appearance how much of your annual funds will go towards interest and primary, which you can additionally toggle between the anniversary and month to month appearance to see a breakdown of every monthly price. The method in the back of advantageous down a loan in advance, but it surely can be convenient. It helps owners and would be owners see what paying greater cash would suggest for their monthly budget and their average abundance profile. If this is your aboriginal time shopping for a loan, the terminology may also be intimidating. It can also be intricate to understand what you are procuring and why. Main. The principal in the sum of money you borrowed on the personal loan, an element of each and every fee will go toward paying this off. So, the quantity will go down as you are making month to month funds. Hobby expense. Here's almost what the lender is charging you to borrow the money. Your hobby price is expressed as a percent and can be fixed or capricious. Acreage taxes. Acreage taxes are improved via your local tax ascendancy. This quantity can constantly be seen on your recorder or adjudicator's site. At any place you access property cards and different real property facets. Homeowners insurance. Householders coverage is required to protect you and your lender in the case of hurt to your home. In case you are in view that a home, ask the actual estate agent in the event that they have any tips about the latest insurance charges. Otherwise, contact your local assurance agenda to get advice. Personal loan assurance, often known as private mortgage insurance or PMI, this protects the lender in the event you are absent on your mortgage. It usually ties from person to person of your complete mortgage quantity, and you may deserve to factor this in if your bottom ward price is below percent. HOA cost. Property Owners Association fees could be required in case you buy acreage in an aggregate group such as NPAVE apartment complicated. HOAs are the deepest group set to govern and preserve such areas. The charges can be nominal, but they could accomplish your month to month payments unaffordably. How a great deal department which you can find the money for depends on several components, including your month to month income, present debt carrier, and how a great deal you have got adored for a down price. When picking, no matter if to accept you for a definite personal loan volume, when picking, no matter if to accept you for a definite personal loan volume, lenders pay close consideration to your debt to profits ratio DTI. Your DTI compares your complete monthly debt payments to your monthly pre-tax earnings. Every day you should not pay greater than percent of your revenue to a residence payment, though you can be accepted with a more robust percentage. Take into account, besides the fact that children, that simply because you can have the funds for a house on paper doesn't mean your budget can really handle the funds. Pass the elements your bank considered back pre-approving you for a personal loan volume. Agree with how lots of cash you will accept on hand afterward you make the down charge. It's superior to accept a minimum of 3 months of funds at discount rates in the event you experience fiscal difficulty. Together with calculating how tons you predict to pay in maintenance and other condo linked charges each month, you should definitely additionally consider your different financial goals. As example, in case you are planning to retire early, verify how plenty funds you should keep or make investment each and every month, after which account how tons you will have extra to dedicate to a loan payment.